Hi, I'm here in this gorgeous beachfront property on the Gold Coast, and we have just finished styling it top to toe. And I'm going to show you this area behind me and tell you exactly how we styled each area. And it's a big space, so let's start. Let's start with this little zone here. So there are lots of zones we've created down on this entry level of the house. And this first zone is kind of decked out with adult style furniture with your leather chairs, your boucle sofa. But there's absolutely an indication that this is a games area. I mean, for starters, a checkerboard rug absolutely says, hey, let's get out some checkers or chess. So checkers means fun. And then with a swivel chair like this one's from Lounge Lovers, it's perfect in open plan because you can be talking to someone here, something happens over there and boom, I'm now in this room talking to them, and then you want to come back, boom, I'm back in this conversation. How good is that? And what else we've done is really bring in these beautiful warm tones that you see throughout the whole home. And you know, some fun here with a striped cushion, checkers on the back. Again, the checkers is a theme you're going to see throughout the whole games area because it just says fun. Now we've got a pretty little funky space over here with a cool mirror, little side table that you could probably put out some snacks. And then I have to stop here because this is probably one of the coolest styling pieces we've ever made. So this was your average bright blue table tennis table. And we then built these, well, we didn't actually do the building, we got a carpenter to knock together some timber legs and frame around the whole table, painted it this gorgeous color, and in fact, even the line down the center is a sort of a beautiful browny color that actually matches exactly the brown in the artwork. So I think that would probably be a first around the world of a ping pong table that matches your artwork. And then what we've done over on the walls here is have some fun artwork. We've got the checkers repeated again in the art, and it's all about gaming. So we've also got a little portable game of backgammon here. This is backgammon, I think. But you know, with a hook like this is just a 3M command hook. So it's reusable. You can just take it off the wall and put it somewhere else. And no holes in your walls then, which is perfect. That's why we love 3M. This is to Sunken pit lounge conversation area. And we've got the checks again, as you can see here. This is actually a really cool table from James Lane and loving this coloured glassware. I mean, honestly, look at that backdrop straight out to the beach, a bougainvillea to boot, a breeze, the best. And this is another zone we've created. It's almost like up on a stage. So we wanted this to be a little more fun and different. So we've got these gorgeous hanging chairs or hanging pods that you can just sit in and talk about a swivel chair, like I just mentioned earlier. You can swivel everywhere here and swing. And there's that real sense of playfulness with a hanging chair. It's sort of like an adult swing. Outdoor rugs are a great way to signal a zone. Okay, so this wouldn't feel as connected without this rug. And then you want to eat, right? You want to have a dining space. So this table is just gorgeous. It's from like reclaimed train railway sleepers, been made into this huge, beautiful table. And don't feel that you need a tablecloth that has to extend from end to end. You can see ours actually just stopped short here. We'd have to find a really long tablecloth to go the whole length. But this works. So this is a wellness room for relaxing, maybe some Pilates. And we really wanted to make this feel a bit like a day spa. So a few things we did to achieve that feeling. Some whimsy curtains. You know, you don't usually see these at a gym. But they just create a beautiful feminine feel in here, and we wanted to make it feel a little bit more feminine with, you know, this gorgeous rattan piece, some furniture items, so we just softened it, and a place to sit. And we've painted these walls. So most of the house is white, but these walls we actually painted using the Dulux colour called hog bristle. just brings that little bit more of warmth, makes you feel that day spa feel, right? I don't do Pilates. I don't even know what you do with this. And then at this end, super cool, is a sauna. So pretty awesome to have this in the space. And you know, I mean, it is a luxury item, but it doesn't take up much room. And then in this corner, we've created another little moment. This is not something you'd typically see in a gym, you know, a timber and rattan chair, so gorgeous. This one's from Oz Design. It's just a really nice way to finish off this corner of our little wellness space. I'm making So if you're styling a games room at your place, it doesn't have to be this big, it could just be one room. Don't be afraid to have some fun, be bold, bring in some quirky elements. You don't want it to look and feel exactly the same as the rest of the house. You want it to be separate, you want it to feel fun, and encourage people to just relax. I ain't waiting on no one. Watch me.